So the idea here is, one, we can use alert where we can pass the message, and the second thing is we can either do the console log as well. So for console log, what we can do, we can write it like this: message should be present in console. And sometimes like putting alert which comes as a pop-up is annoying, so some of the developers find it easy to put the console log and see on the browser how this is printing and overall how it goes. So to be able to see this, let's open the console first. So to be able to open console on Chrome, you can go to the more tool option and then developer tools. There are shortcuts as well, so I'll just take a bigger screen. Maybe I'll use this option, and here is my console. If I just refresh it, so it shows message should be present in console, as you can look at this, right?